guys, it's Zach from Z.M.S.C Model Works, and in today's review we're going to be looking at 3D printed parts, more specifically from Shapeways, and these designs are from Ron Olsen of 3D Model Specialties, so I'm going to leave a link to the description to his shop at Shapeways. But we're going to kind of give a couple of we got a couple of parts in for Ruby, and we're just going to have a look at them. So things that I got here were some intake runners and some turbos and shifters, and these were done in the superfine plastic, one of the materials offered when you're selecting some products. You can get them in regular plastic or in superfine, or you can get some parts even printed in metal. So we'll just bring in. Okay, so the first ones we're going to look at are these intake runners here, and they've also got a water cooling jacket right above them, as well as some little injectors. I can still, you can probably see some of the layers still there, but it's very, very smooth, very, very fine, and with a little bit of sanding will take care of that. No problem whatsoever. Let me see if I can actually separate these. Actually, not. Using my saw to kind of get through this. So we got one separated. As you can see here, again, some of the layers, so if you're going to have to scrape that up to clean it. You can also see the fuel rails and the throttle body. And then they've got two mounts here for the water jacket, for the water injection to cool that down. But very nice product, and then the printing on it as well is really, really nice, but just a little bit of sanding on top here should help solve that texture problem. So that's the intake runners. Next up here I've got the shifter knobs for the auto transmission, or the power glide, sorry. So again, some very nice crisp detail on there, a little bit of sanding on some parts to get rid of the layer marks, but very, very nice. And then finally, we've got some turbochargers. These are, it usually sells them with a left and a right side configuration, so you can clock the turbos on the fronts here. The compressor blade is molded into the face, so you can see that through if you're going to leave it exposed or if you're going to put some piping on it. These are his 102 millimeter turbos. Very, very nice. A little bit of primer and sanding on these, and that'll smooth right out. As well as on the back, you can see the bolts here for the housing. I'll just take off one of the back pieces here, and then we've got the exhaust side of the turbocharger. Now there's no there's the mounting plate to put the exhaust manifold on, but there's no exhaust compressor blades in there. And those line up. Oh, got it wrong. I'm sure I could drill that out. That looks like that could fit right in there. Let me see if I can that slots in. That little lip there fits, and then you can crank the turbo around to however you need it. Included with the turbochargers are, I believe, the blow-off valves. They've got a little nozzle that you can attach the line to. Oops. Very nice. And then also the blow-off valves with an exhaust outlet on it as well. So that's just a quick sort of review on mainly Shapeways and the 3D parts that you can print, as well as Ron Olsen's shop and some of his products that he offers. So again, I'll leave the description links to his store, yeah, so we're going to move on with Ruby with these nice parts, and thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, hit the bell to know when I've got new videos that come out, and I hope you have a good day.